Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss on how you can prepare for planning and administering Microsoft Azure for SAP workloads. This exam focuses on the evaluation of a candidate's ability for workload administration, planning for deployment, and migration to Azure of SAP workloads. This exam does not test your SAP installation or migration skills itself. Instead it focuses on how you would approach planning, deployment, and migration on Azure IaaS platform. So let's get started. Here you can see the list of topics we are going to cover in this video. We will start with the basic information required to begin your preparation, and then move on to the study materials and important topics which will help you in your preparation. Exam details. 1. Duration is 90 minutes. 2. Format is multi-choice and multi-response. 3. Type is cloud computing. 4. Number of questions are 40 to 60. 5. Languages are English, Japanese, Spanish, German, Simplified Chinese, French, Korean. 6. Cost is $165. 7. Pass score is 700 out of 1000. Requisites. Azure administrators who migrate and manage SAP solutions on Azure, and manage the cloud services that span storage, networking, and cloud computing capabilities with an in-depth understanding of various services across the full IT lifecycle. Before taking appearing for this exam, it is recommended for students to have taken the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AZ-900, Azure Administrator AZ-104, and Azure Solutions Architect AZ-300 along with SAP HANA, and Linux training. There are no mandatory exams related to AZ-120 and hence candidates can focus solely on this certification. Course outline. 1. Migrate SAP workloads to Azure, which comprises of 10 to 15% weightage in exam. 2. Design an Azure solution to support SAP workloads, which comprises of 20 to 25% weightage in exam. 3. Build and deploy Azure SAP workloads, which comprises of 35 to 40% weightage in exam. 4. Validate Azure infrastructure for SAP workloads, which comprises of 10 to 15% weightage in exam. 5. Operationalize Azure SAP architecture, which comprises of 10 to 15% weightage in exam. Key tips for greater success. Everyone is unique, and so their study and exam preparation techniques. However, the following list can help you with previous Microsoft certifications. 1. Schedule your exam today. Having a target scheduled date will force you to prepare for an exam. 2. Spend quality time for the study. Do take few days off if required. You can't deliver time-sensitive projects and study together. 3. Appear for exam on Monday, you get weekend to prepare and revise the content. 4. Don't wait too long for an exam after you are done with the study. 5. Keep aside minimum of 2 hours daily for study. Preparatory guide. 1. Study material. Study materials are one of the most important and fastest way to achieve your goals. High-quality materials available on YouTube as well as on sites like Test Prep Training can help you prepare for this examination. 2. Labs on GitHub. If you are someone who learns quicker by practically doing the tasks than performing the questions on this site can help you link the material found on the above sites. 3. Exam practice questions. Nothing can prepare you better for an examination other than giving mock examinations for the same. 4. Monitoring your progress. Normally it should take you a couple of weeks to study for this course, so it is important you keep giving practice tests at regular intervals, and keep a record of your progress. 5. Focus and commitment. Since this is a course that requires theoretical knowledge as the major base, it is important that you do not lose your focus and commitment while preparing for this examination and while giving the examination. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.